Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica if you are new here, and today we are going to be going through and organizing all of my makeup. Yay! I have a ton of makeup. It's a problem. Let me show you what we've got going on here. This is my vanity. It has this nice drawer, nice cabinet thing, and you can open this up and yeah, that's what we're dealing with. So it's not like that bad, right? Like it's not as bad as maybe you thought. I don't know. Over here I have setting spray and some makeup wipes and like loose powder, and here I'm gonna change all of this. This is all like hair stuff. So I'm gonna move my hair stuff to this like IKEA drawer that I have and put all of my skincare over with my vanity. This is all like face masks and more things that I've just accumulated from Ipsy. Like I don't buy skincare, I just get it from my Ipsy bags, and I have a ton now. First, I'm just going to take everything out and set it on the floor. Okay. Oops. Just dropped everything. Totally still have some things from college in here. There's not that much because I didn't take that much makeup to college, but there's a little bit in here. So I'm going to take all that out. Everything is out on the floor, as you can see. I just kind of wanted to spread everything out so I could see everything rather than like picking through things. So I think I'm going to completely just dump everything out. I separated everything into two piles. This is all from Ipsy bags. So as you can see, like it's a lot of lip products. They send a lot of like lipsticks and stuff. A lot of sample size things, which honestly I don't mind because they're cute and little. A lot of like name brand things, but also like they're all very small. So we have a Tarte Shape Tape and a couple like Too Faced primers. This is all the makeup that I have either bought for myself or like gotten as a gift from like Christmas or my birthday or something. There's that. I don't know why I did that. I just wanted to know. I have all of these like organizer things, like clear organizers. So I'm gonna grab like a Clorox wipe or something and just wipe them all down and then start like going through my makeup and just deciding what I want to keep. Decided I'm going to go through all of my lip products, decide what I want to keep, and then I will like go through and organize it because I don't know how I want to organize it yet. If I want to do it like by color or by like if it's a liquid lipstick or I don't know. So first we're just going to go through it all and see what I want to keep and get rid of. So yeah, I'm surrounded by makeup right now. Ooh, that's pretty. Cute in her. Okay, here is the remnants of going through my lip products. I didn't swatch, well, I pretty much swatched everything. It's kind of fun, honestly. Gotta fix this now. We've got a good pile here of things to keep. Yeah, that's a lot, I know. But I did get rid of some, so that's good. Okay, I will tell you how I organized everything at the end, but lips are done, not so bad. Took all of that off my hand, and now I'm going to do the exact same thing with eyeshadow. So my hand is going to get pretty swatched up yet again, but here goes nothing. We're making progress. Major throwback. If you are from OG YouTube, OG beauty community, you know what this is. I can't believe I still have this. This is how my hand is looking. Not as bad as I thought it would be. We are doing well. I think the camera stopped recording, but I just went through like my highlighters and I put them all in this middle one, and then I have like some random stuff, and I did all of my eyeshadows. They fit in here, which is amazing. And now I think I'm gonna go through my blush and bronzer. Hopefully put them in there. We're almost there. Mascara is gonna be like the worst because I have so many like little sample size mascaras from like Ipsy that I just don't know what to do with. Eyeliner and mascara, and now all I need to do is like face makeup. So like what is this, like foundation, concealer, primer, stuff like that, and we'll be almost done. Then I need to do like skincare and my palettes and everything else, but we're almost there. We're getting somewhere. All organized. Time to put it back in here. Then I'm gonna go through my palettes, go through my hair stuff, and fix this drawer. So let's go. My back hurts so bad. That makes me so happy. Like, that looks so good. Now I'm gonna go through my palettes, which shouldn't be too hard because I truly will probably keep 99% of them. Next, I'm going to, excuse my ring light and tripod in the corner, but next I'm going to get all of my skincare, which, like I said earlier, is in like my IKEA drawers, and I'm going to switch that out. Currently down here right now is just all hair stuff, so I'm going to move that to the IKEA drawers and put my skincare over here, as well as like setting spray and just other random stuff. I put my palettes in that drawer, which I will show you at the end. We're almost done. We are almost done. Okay guys, I am finally done. This is amazing. I'm so excited to show you. It's one of those things that just like makes me so happy. I don't know why, but I love it, okay? Here we go. Whoa, look at that. Everything is so organized. It looks so pretty. I have a lot of room. Like, wow, I'm so happy. Okay, let me go through and tell you how I organized everything. Right here we have like very neutral lip colors, like very, I don't know, nude, basic, things like that. This is more like bold lip colors, so like super bright pink. I have a really dark color right here, and I have a couple like lip primers, things like that. Right here is all of my highlighters, so I have like my Becca highlighters, some fun like brighter color purple highlighters, things like that. I have a whole bunch of like glitter and like pressed pigment. I have like my unicorn snot glitter. Right here I have loose powders, like setting powders, under eye powders. I have a Tarte one and a couple like random ones that I got from Ipsy, of course. Here I have like face products, so I have my concealers, I have like a color correcting concealer, my foundations, I have some primers back there. This is my like setting powder. Then I have all of my eyeliners right here. I condensed this a lot, okay? Then I have mascara and my brow pencil. I literally have one brow pencil because it's all I use. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz. So I just stuck that in there with my mascaras. Then we move on to eyeshadow. So in here I have like more matte eyeshadow, except for these two like glitter gel things I didn't know what to do with. These are all like sparkly. Moving on over here, so I just have, this is like a face palette, has bronzer, blush, and highlight in it, my eyelash curler, I have loose powder right here. This is the Airspun loose powder. I use this all the time. I love it. And in here I have blush and contour and bronzer. So yeah, I have my Becca blush, some Pixie blush, my Hoola bronzer, all that fun stuff. I have a random pair of eyelashes back there. All of my brushes are right here. I have my little beauty blender thing that I'm going to get a new one tomorrow actually. And yeah, I'm gonna clean my brushes tomorrow too because they need it so bad. In this drawer, I have all of my eyeshadow palettes. So I have Naked 2 and 3 and my Lorac palette on the bottom, my Naked Tutorials palette, a Tarte palette, and then ones I don't use as often I put in the back. This is a Morphe palette, a little mini Too Faced palette, and another Too Faced palette. And here I have all of my skincare. I also have my setting sprays, my MAC Fix Plus, which I know it's really hard to see. I also have some like glitter gels and my stuff to clean my brushes with. And on the bottom, I know it's so hard to see, I'm so sorry, I have some face masks. Even in this, I have them all organized right here. I have like eye masks, like pore strips, some more eye masks. I have some makeup wipes, and in here, in this little box, I have random skincare. Like I have a lip scrub, some like acne treatment, some eye cream, all sorts of random stuff. So, woohoo. So, that is it. I am so exhausted and so out of breath. It's like things like this, I don't know why, but it literally makes me so happy. Like everything's so organized and clean and nice. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a really weird one. Make sure you're subscribed. I am uploading 3 times a week this summer, and follow me on Instagram at JessicaLeighYT. Thank you for watching. I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye guys.